Hi, boys and girls. I just wanted to say I hope you guys have a great day today. And I wanted to read you a story today called I Need a Hug. I want you to see if you know what type of animal this is. Do you know what this is? He's got very pokey spines. If you said a porcupine, you are right. This book is about this porcupine who really wants a hug. And if you look up here, you're going to see this little sticker, and there's Pig the Pug. The author of Pig the Pug is the same author that wrote this story called I Need a Hug. Sometimes we all need a hug to make us feel better, don't we? I know I do, sometimes when I'm not feeling good. So let's take a look. We have our story. We have a bunny rabbit, and there is the porcupine. And if you notice, there is something coming out here. Can you see right here how it goes? Big circle, and it's pointing down to the porcupine because this author is showing you that the porcupine is talking. So he says, I need a hug. Will you cuddle me, Lou? So the bunny rabbit's name is Lou. What? With those spikes? Get away from me! Shoo! She's running away. Why would she run away from the porcupine? I need a hug. Will you cuddle me, Ken? Do you see Ken? What is he? Is he a reindeer? Help! That prickly thing is at it again. I need a hug. Will you cuddle me, Joe? Look at that big cuddly bear. Do you think that bear is going to cuddle him? Cuddle you? No, I won't. No. That big bear is running away from the porcupine. Oh, no one will hug me. That is not very kind. But hey, wait a minute. He's come up with an idea. You've all changed your mind? All of his friends are running back towards him. Oh, he thought they were running back because they had changed their mind. But you guys see what is in the picture? It is a snake coming. They were scared of the snake, so they all started running backwards. And let's see what the snake says. He says, gosh, all I did was ask for a kiss. And now snake and porcupine are just staring at each other. Well, isn't this lovely? Yes, how about this? The snake has wrapped up the porcupine, given him a hug, and now they're both happy. Their friends ran away from them because they were scared of the spikes and scared of the snake. And in the end, the snake and the porcupine came together and they made each other feel better. So I want you guys to think about a way that you can make somebody feel better today. See if you can give at least 2 people a hug today. I'm going to give my son a hug and my husband a hug today. And I want you to think about who are 2 people that you could give a hug to today. I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed the story, I Need a Hug.